morning everyone. I'm Ronaldo P. Diquito. I will tackle now the blow baguettes. So, for the blow baguettes, B stands for the battery. The battery located here. Then, we need to check everything if there's a white corrosion. And then the wirings for this, it was properly connected naman. Next, for the blue baguettes is the lights. The lights, this is the headlight. As far as we can see, okay naman siya. Until dito lang sa likod. Sorry. Then this one is the park light, the signal light. And then so far okay naman siya. The blue baguettes. Then next is the oil. Letter O stands for oil. We can check it here. The oil. We need to remove this one. May gauge din siya. Then makikita natin kung low oil na. We need to put additional oil for this. Then the water. The W stands for the water. We can check the water from here. Then kung kailangan na talaga natin. So far okay naman siya. So we don't need to put more kasi para hindi na rin siya messy. Water. Then another B is the brake. We can check the brake. Kailangan lagi natin tingnan yung brake fluid. And then ito naman siya, yung brake fluid. So, and we need to check also yung sa mga ilalim. Baka may mga leakage. Kasi yung brake fluid doon, kailangan natin yung makita. Like that. So far, wala naman tayong nakikita mga leakage, mga tulo. And that's it. Okay naman siya. Then next letter is brake. No,
Yes.
A.
Accessories.
For the accessories, we need only to check this one, the wiper. Ayan, kailangan natin yung mag-check. Okay naman siya. So, next is the blue budget. The gas. We need to check the gas. Then, meron tayo dito yung gas. Nakita natin yung gauge dito for the gas. Andyan na yung gauge ng gas. Diyan man natin makikita. And also, dito rin naman siya sinasalinan. Actually, ito naman yung pinakang pang-open natin sa gas. Then dito, ayan, open na siya. Dito natin siya sasalinan ng gas. So, we need to make sure lagi ha. Tapos, close na natin yan. And then, for the electrical. Letter E stands for the electrical. So, kailangan lang natin tingnan din dito sa engine natin, yung electrical, kung may mga talop, kung may so far okay naman siya kasi mga naka-rubber tape siya and all secure. Then, the tire. For the tire, we need always to check yung tamang pressure ng ating tire. And then also the manufacturing, kung first time mo palang gagamitin yung sasakyan, we need to check the manufacturing date. And also, lahat ng tire kailangan natin check yung air niya. And nandito rin makikita natin yung tamang yung air pressure ng mga tire natin. Doon sa front, doon sa rear. So, kailangan natin din yung i-check. And then, the last one is self. And so far, okay naman ako. I'm capable, mentally fit, physically fit, so I can drive. And that's all for today. I'm Ronald P. Diquito. I tackle the blue baguettes. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.